Hey, if you're from the South, and especially Texas, I guarantee you, your grandma made this recipe we're gonna make today. We're going back. We're going old school mac and cheese. Hey, the great news about old school, simple. You just need a few ingredients. We got elbow macaroni, we got Velveeta, shredded cheese, milk and butter. I'm gonna kick it up a notch with some bacon and green chilies. Okay, first up, we're gonna cook a package of bacon on the flat top because it's bacon. While the bacon's cooking, we're gonna start boiling our macaroni. So we're gonna add our macaroni to a pot, cover it with water, add about 2 tablespoons of salt, bring it up to a boil, and cook it for the package instructions, which is usually about 6 to 8 minutes. All right, the noodles are almost done. We're gonna drain them off and then we're gonna add the rest of our ingredients, which is 8 ounces of Velveeta, 8 ounces of shredded cheddar, but I'm gonna reserve 2 ounces of this to put on top, 2 to 3 tablespoons of butter, about a half a cup of either whipping cream or milk. I'm gonna put a little extra something in this batch, hatch green chilies. It's gonna be good. And then we're gonna top it off with some bacon and the rest of our cheddar. Okay, so first you're gonna return your macaroni to the bowl, then you're gonna add your butter and your milk, stir that up and get it going. Next, we're gonna add our cheese, our Velveeta cheese, and then our shredded cheese. We're gonna add the hatch green chilies. And I usually add just a little bit of salt and black pepper. Once the cheese is all melted, it's time to take it and put it into your baking dish. Next, we're gonna add our toppings, then we're gonna take it to the grill. We're just gonna leave it on there just long enough for the cheese to melt on top. All right, so the mac and cheese has been on the grill for about 5 minutes. The cheese is all melted. This is ready to serve. So let's take a bite and see how it tastes. Very cheesy. I got the green chili and then the crunch of the bacon is awesome. Next time you cook mac and cheese, go old school, go grandma style, but kick it up a notch with bacon and green chilies.